Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, 3-zone climate control, MP3, ultra-low emissions vehicle, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, CD changer, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.